Hey, take over.
1, 2, 3, push!
Let's get to work. Front bumper, rusted through and cracked. Front quarter doors, lower sections corroded completely through. GT wing, a solid mass of orange scale. Phase 1 is disassembly. Then rust treatment, engine rebuild, bodywork. Every panel is marked. Rust is extended. Final details. We'll cut it all out. Bayside blue, Paul Walker's car. We do this right. Engine seized, full rebuild required, zero compression assumed. Total rebuild required. Pumping the pedal, fluid is flowing, no bubbles. Confirmed, all corners bled successfully. Final check, pedal is firm and high. All right, lowering the engine now. Watch the mounts. Looks good, it's seated, starting the bolts. Got it. Bringing up the gearbox, good alignment, bolted in, plugged in, it's whole. Engine oil level, perfect on the full mark. Coolant, brake fluid, power steering, all full. Wheel nuts torqued to spec, suspension secure. She's ready. Bring everyone. The paint depth is flawless. Every panel is perfect. Is this genuinely connected to Paul Walker? Absolutely. Here's the full provenance. This car was forgotten for 20 years. Tonight it comes back. This R34 project was a beast. But seeing it now, Bayside blue and flawless, makes every hour worth it. We start with the warehouse acquisition and the Paul Walker collection papers. Here are the photos from the rusted state to the final detail. Incredible, and the transformation is remarkable. Both copies are signed. The restoration is complete. It's perfect. Thank you. I've owned a lot of cars. This is different. Every panel, every bolt, every stitch, HM Workshop did everything right. The attention to detail is extraordinary. This isn't a restored car, made it worthy of that fame.